Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 214 or Other Frauds. Article 214 states that, in addition to the penalties prescribed in the provisions of Chapter 6, Title 10, Book 2 of the Revised Penal Code, the penalty of temporary special disqualification in its maximum period to perpetual special disqualification shall be imposed upon any public officer who, taking advantage of his official position, shall commit any of the frauds or deceits enumerated in said provisions. Para mag-apply itong article na ito, may tatlo itong elements. First, offender is a public officer. Second, he takes advantage of his official position. And third, he commits any of the frauds enumerated in Articles 315 to 318. This article does not punish any offense. What is provided is the additional penalty of special disqualification. Ano nga ba itong Chapter 6, Title 10, Book 2 of the Revised Penal Code? Ito po ay Article 315 to 318. Article 315 punishes estafa or swindling. Article 316 punishes other forms of swindling. Article 317 punishes swindling a minor. And Article 318 punishes other deceits. Sa mga articles na ito, may mga prescribed penalties na. By virtue of Article 214, aside from those penalties, i-impose din ang temporary special disqualification in its maximum period to perpetual special disqualification pag ang offender ay public officer and he takes advantage of his official position. Yung Article 315 to 318 kasi, ang nakakakomit niyan ay private person or public officer. Pero pag public officer ay nag-commit, by virtue of Article 214, may additional penalty siya. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.